and welcome to Terra Technique. Today I'm back with another brand new video, and in this video I have this beautiful SQ5 2014 model. We have installed this beautiful 12.3 inch Android head unit in this car, and I also have the owner of the car with me, and we will be asking some questions to him as well. First of all, I will talk about some basics before getting into the details. This is an Android 11. It comes with a 64 gigabytes of memory and 4 gigabytes of RAM. It is completely Android, and it is compatible with all of the original car's functions. Doesn't matter what you have. This SQ5 originally had a lot of original functions, steering wheel buttons as well as on this instrument panel, as well as on the original menu. It had a lot of information. Is the back camera that is on right now. In the original menu it had a lot of other functions, so you can access all of your original functions, use them or do whatever you want, as well as you can use the Android screen. This screen also comes with a built-in Apple CarPlay as well as built-in Android Auto. So if you have an Android phone, you can connect it to the Android Auto and it will automatically sync your not all the applications but almost all the applications here, so you can use Android Auto, and you also don't need to share internet. It takes automatically from the phone. So if you have iPhone, you can use an Apple CarPlay in the screen as well. So these both features we provide free of cost with the screen. And if we talk about this is the newest models that we have. If you want to go back, you can just press on exit, and how you connect it is it has a built-in Bluetooth as well. So once you connect your phone to the Bluetooth, it will automatically ask you to connect Android Auto or Apple CarPlay depending on which phone you have, and you can, if you want, you can connect it, otherwise you don't have to. You can also download any kind of applications, Android applications you want. You have a Play Store, and in order to download you need to have internet in the screen, and it also has a built-in Wi-Fi, as well as you can insert a SIM card on it in the screen in order to use it for the internet, or you can just connect Wi-Fi. You can share internet from your phone to the screen using personal hotspot, and download any kind of application you want. Doesn't matter what it is. You can use YouTube, Spotify, Netflix, social medias, everything on it. And also you can use any kind of navigation as well. It doesn't matter if it's from Play Store or it's offline navigation, such as SideJack or iGo or any other in particular if you have. It also have tons of settings that I won't be going into in the details with, because I don't have much time. But it also has this cool dashboard functions. Also has function for the DVR, which is front camera. You can also connect your original car's back camera with it if your car comes with it from the factory, or if you don't have it, you can also install an aftermarket back camera or front camera or a monitoring camera, dashboard camera you call it, with a screen. You can basically connect any kind of aftermarket modules with the screen. It doesn't matter if it's for the sound or for the other accessories. You can also connect the amplifier as well. Yes. So I will be asking some questions to the owner of the car. I won't be showing his face because he doesn't want to. First of all, if I ask you, the original screen you had in the car, it was very small. If you have a Q5 or a SQ5 or A4, they come with a smaller screen. So what do you think of this screen?
Yeah, that's a really nice screen. The original screen doesn't have the navigation like Google Maps and Waze. I usually use the Google Maps and Waze navigation system because it shows the real-time traffic, but the original MMI Audi system doesn't have these facilities. With this screen I have so many other options. As you can see, the interface, this screen size is bigger like a Tesla screen. Usually I like the Tesla screen, but I don't like the electric cars, so that's why I installed this similar Tesla style screen. So here you can see I have the original car functions as well. These are all there, everything is there, the original functionality. And the other features that I got with the screen are phone compatibility, music. There are some extra features for
for the Android Auto, and
Android Auto, equalizer, and I can play with the Android system. There are so many apps and so many features with the Android.
So if I ask you on a scale of 10, how strongly you recommend people getting this beautiful Android head unit for all the cars?
Yes, I will definitely rate it 10 out of 10 because this is a very beautiful screen. As you can see, it has a very beautiful animation in the screen, and it's the same like the new Audi models. I don't have the latest model. It's 2014 model Audi SQ5. So I
Yeah,
feel like sitting inside the car, it's 22 model.
Yeah, the newer cars, I think they have these animations that we talked about early on. That also, what do you think? What do you have also? We have checked the video as well. What do you think of the quality of the pixels and the back camera quality?
Yes, it's very good. As the video quality, it's definitely HD quality, and it's very futuristic and very realistic quality, same like the television screen, or you can say your laptop screen. So here you can show the quality of the image.
And what do you think of the sound? Does it make any difference after installing this Android screen?
No, I already have a Bang & Olufsen sound system.
Yes.
So like you said, you have connected it via aux connectivity. So all my original sound is same. So the quality is not degraded, and the other thing that I have plus is the equalizer that you have said that it is this screen is equipped with the DSP sound system, so I can manually adjust my equalizer.
All right, thank you very much, and
Thank you.
hope to see you in future again with your the other car that you have. And we have this kind of Android screen for almost all the cars out there. Doesn't matter if it's an Audi or a Toyota or a BMW. We have it for all the cars, and these are not universal screens. These are model compatible screens developed just for specific cars. And as I already mentioned, these are compatible with all the factory settings and sensors, or it doesn't matter whatever functions you have originally from the factory. It is compatible with all of them, and you will not lose any of your original functions. And we have a warehouse in Sweden, Stockholm, Sweden, where we ship our most of the products from, but depending on which country you're from, if you live in Stockholm, Sweden, you can come and directly visit us as well at our warehouse. And if you're from Norway as well, we have different website for Norway and different website for Sweden, and we have another website in English language for all the other European countries, or USA, or even Canada, or even Africa, worldwide you can call it. And if you have any queries, if you about any car, you can leave a comment down below as well. Also, I will leave all the particular links, our email address, our phone number in the description below, and you can contact us. I will be very happy to answer it and help you out to find the right product for your car. And until then, take care, and bye bye.